Click on the search bar and type CMD, right-click, and run as administrator. Type disk part as one word and press enter. This is to activate the disk part utility. You can also directly type disk part in the search bar and run as administrator. This process automatically activates the disk part utility. Type list disk and hit enter. This lists all internal and external drives connected to your computer. Look out the drive you want to format and note the disk number. In my case, I want to format disk 2. Select disk and type in the number you want to format. Type clean and press enter. Again, type create partition primary and press enter. Lastly, type format fs equals FAT32 quick. Type exit and press enter to close application. That's all for today's video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification button for all updates on new videos.